Hi, let me tell you about another great Manning book. Data Analysis with LLMs, Text, Tables, Images, and Sound. Written by Immanuel Trummer.
This chapter introduces language models, highlighting their recent advances in natural language processing. Language models like GPT, Generative Pre-trained Transformer, are capable of various tasks, including text generation, summarization, and code generation. This book is intended for data professionals, including data scientists, engineers, analysts, and journalists. It is also suitable for those curious about data analysis using language models. Some basic familiarity with Python is recommended for later chapters. This book explains how to use language models for data analysis effectively. It covers topics such as model selection, configuration, and prompt templates to maximize the quality of results and minimize processing costs. The book focuses on using language models for data analysis. It covers different data types, including structured and unstructured data, and various analysis tasks, such as classification, data extraction, clustering, and more. Readers will learn to adapt and customize solutions using language models. Language models are neural networks designed for language processing. The latest generation of models, like GPT-4, can understand and execute natural language instructions. Users can provide prompts to instruct models for specific tasks, such as classifying product reviews or generating SQL queries. Language models can be directly applied to data analysis tasks, especially those involving text. Prompt templates, which contain placeholders for data, are used to instruct the model for each data item. Multiple prompts can be submitted to analyze a collection of data. Language models can also act as interfaces to external data analysis tools. For instance, users can instruct a language model to generate SQL queries for relational databases, making data analysis more accessible to non-technical users. Choosing the right model and provider is essential for efficient data analysis. Different models have varying sizes and specialties, such as text analysis or code generation. Benchmarks like Helm help users evaluate different providers' models based on various metrics. To achieve the best results, users need to configure language models properly. Parameters like termination conditions and randomization settings impact output quality and costs. Additionally, crafting effective prompt templates is crucial, and there are platforms like PromptBase for buying and selling templates. Some data analysis tasks require combining multiple data sources and tools. LangChain is a framework that simplifies the creation of complex data analysis pipelines, allowing users to orchestrate multiple language models and tools in sequence. We will see how to use this framework to build applications that process data using language models.
Get this book at manning.com.